Don't do this at home. Dangerous. Let's show you some magic.
This dumpling recipe reminds my grandma. I used to make this with her all the time. Let's chop some chives first, then ginger and green onions. Hello. Now it's time to put the ground pork. Add eggs. Then you need to add cornstarch and salt. Can't forget my favorite soy sauce. And cooking wine. Mix everything together with chopsticks or you mix from scratch. We divide the dough, then roll into like a little snake. Cut it in little pieces, then push it down. Then roll the edges while you're turning the wrapper. Now let's start wrapping. Put the filling in the center, then pinch the edges. Now most important thing, cross your index fingers and squeeze the belly out. Look at that. Stay with me. I'm gonna show you how to make the wrapper. Add flour and salt, mix with water till smooth like a ball, then put on the side for 15 minutes.
下次再见。